Hey guys, it's Kara, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this super easy pastel gradient nail art. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. First, I'm applying my white nail polish, Hard to Get by Hansen, in a thin coat on all of my nails. This is going to be the base to our gradient, so it doesn't need to be fully opaque. Then I'm taking my liquid latex and applying it around all of my fingers to help with cleanup and make our mani look a lot neater. One thin coat should do. Once that's dry, take a dense makeup sponge and start applying all the nail polishes you want to use in your gradient. I'm using a pastel pink, which is OPI Mod About You. Now I'm taking a pastel purple, which is BeBio Lavender Lust. Next I'm taking OPI I Believe in Manicures, which is a light pastel blue. Now I'm taking a pastel green, which is China Glaze Cutie Mark the Spot. I'm taking the makeup sponge and applying it to my nail by dabbing it on. This is going to blend the colors together and make a seamless gradient. You may need more than one coat of this gradient, so if it's sheer on the first coat, don't worry. Now I'm peeling off my latex to reveal a nice clean nail. Now I'm taking a cleanup brush dipped in acetone and just cleaning up some of the little spots that the latex missed, preferably in my cuticle area. Now I'm taking my favorite top coat, Hansen Dries Instantly, and applying one thin coat of that over the gradient. Now I'm taking my glitter topper, which is Disco Ball by Hansen, and applying one coat. And you're complete. Finally, just add a glossy top coat and you're done.